Let's discuss coolest camping gadgets. All gadgets links in comment and description. Let's start the video. Mattress Comfort Cell Memory Foam Camping Mattress Pad by Hasley. This isn't just a mattress. It's your ticket to uncompromising comfort wherever life takes you. Crafted with certified memory foam for premium support and paired with a 100% waterproof machine washable cover, it promises dreamy sleep even on rugged terrains. Whether you're camping under the stars, hosting overnight guests, or setting up a cozy play area for the kids, this lightweight rollable mattress folds up in seconds, complete with a sturdy carry bag for hassle-free transport. Pros: premium memory foam provides excellent support. Compact, foldable, with a durable carry bag. Great for camping, sleepovers, or as a kid's playmat. Easy to clean, ensuring longevity. Cons: best suited for single sleepers or kids. While comfortable, it might not suffice for uneven terrains. Next, 100-watt folding portable solar panel featuring shade stopper trademark technology by EMFX. This isn't just another solar panel. It's the ultimate power solution that thrives where others fail. With its innovative shade stopper trademark tech, this panel keeps delivering reliable output, even in partial shade, unlike standard models that drop power significantly. Designed for real-world conditions, it boasts a powerful 18V/5.6A output in full sunlight and connects effortlessly to all your devices through USB-A, USB-C, and DC barrel connectors. Its portable foldable design, complete with built-in kickstands and sturdy carrying handles, makes setup a breeze. Pros: maintains power output in partial shade, outperforming competitors. Compatible with multiple devices and power stations. Lightweight, foldable, with a convenient carry design. Scratch-resistant ETFE coating for outdoor adventures. Cons: advanced features might come at a premium. Larger panels provide higher wattage for extensive setups. Next, WorkPro stainless Electricians scissors. These 6.4-inch shears aren't just scissors. They're a powerhouse for precision and versatility. With high-hardness stainless steel blades and non-slip serrated edges, they offer precise cuts on wires, cables, and soft cords. The built-in wire stripper and crimping capability mean this is your all-in-one tool for electrical work. The ergonomic non-slip handles are designed for all-day comfort, and the protective sheath with a belt clip makes it easy to carry around without compromising safety. Pros: precision cutting handles wires and cables up to ADUG-12 effortlessly. Multi-functional design cuts, strips, and crimps wires for ultimate versatility. Comfortable ergonomics with non-slip TPR handles for extended use. Portable sheath with a belt clip for safe and easy carrying. Cons: specialized use limits them to electrical work and not for diving or heavy-duty tasks. Cutting limitations make them suitable for soft cables, with reduced capacity for tougher materials. Next, premium floating anchor marker buoy by Sand Shark. This shark-shaped neon green buoy isn't just practical but fun, ensuring your anchor's exact location is always in sight. No more accidentally stepping on or hitting your anchor. The durable polyvinyl chloride material, combined with an adjustable shock cord, lets you securely mark your anchor spot while resisting wear and tear from water adventures. Whether it's for your boat, jet ski, or kayak, this buoy adds safety, convenience, and a touch of style to your aquatic outings. Pros: high visibility prevents accidental anchor injuries or collisions. Durable and lightweight, with a fun shark design. Adjustable cord ensures compatibility with various anchor types. Multi-purpose use as a buoy, fishing marker, or sandbar locator. Cons: bright neon green color might not appeal to all aesthetic preferences. May be less effective in deeper waters with strong currents. Next, Rack Hammer Multitool, a 12-in-1 gadget that's as versatile as a Swiss Army knife but with the ruggedness of stainless steel. It's compact and lightweight, but don't let its size fool you. It packs a hammer, pliers, wire cutter, screwdriver, saw, bottle opener, and more. Perfect for adventurous dads, handy husbands, or anyone who has everything. This tool is ready for emergencies, repairs, or even cracking open a cold drink by the fire. If you value reliability and practicality, this multi-tool is a game changer. Pros: versatile with 12 tools in one compact design. Durable stainless steel construction ensures longevity. Lightweight and portable, ideal for travel or outdoor adventures, includes a safety lock for added security during use. Cons: limited for heavy-duty tasks compared to dedicated tools. Small size may not provide sufficient leverage for certain jobs. That's awesome, bro. Next, Scrubba Untouched Wash Bag is your solution to an eco-friendly, hassle-free wash anytime, anywhere. This ultra-portable manual washing machine fits in your pocket and weighs just 5.3 ounces, making it perfect for minimalists and adventurers. With its innovative washboard-in-a-bag design, you can wash clothes quickly and efficiently without electricity. It's simple to use, saving you time, space, and water, and even doubles as a dry bag for your gear or a container for dirty laundry. Whether it's t-shirts, socks, or baby clothes, this 13-liter bag can handle your essentials while reducing your environmental impact. Ideal for those who love convenience and care for the planet, the Scrubba Wash Bag will transform the way you think about laundry on the go. Pros: compact and lightweight, fitting easily in a bag. No electricity required, making it perfect for travel or off-grid living. Easy to use with simple instructions and fast washing times. Doubles as a dry bag or laundry container for added versatility. Cons: not suitable for large laundry loads, requires manual effort, which may not be convenient for everyone. That's awesome, bro. Next, Olight Olantern Classic Mini LED. Camping lantern is here to be your perfect companion. This portable rechargeable lantern offers up to 300 lumens of light with a smooth, stepless dimming feature to suit any situation. Whether you're reading under the stars or need a bright beam in an emergency. Weighing just 4.64 Oz, it's incredibly lightweight, making it easy to take anywhere. Plus, with a 5-hour charge via USB-C, it provides up to 60 hours of light, and you can even use it as a power bank to charge your phone. Its unique handle with a buckle ensures easy carrying, or you can hang it on your tent or tree for hands-free use. Pros: lightweight and portable, ideal for camping or emergencies. Rechargeable with long-lasting battery life, up to 60 hours on a full charge. Doubles as a power bank for your devices. Unique handle design for easy carrying and hanging. Lock feature prevents accidental power-ups. Cons: limited brightness range. Maximum of 300 lumens may not be sufficient for larger areas. Takes 5 hours to fully charge, which might be inconvenient for last-minute use. Next, HydraPak Water Reservoir is here to make it easier than ever. This hydration bladder fits most backpacks with its slim profile and versatile slide seal top, making it the perfect addition to your gear. Whether you choose the 1.5L, 2L or 3L version, this bladder features a high-flow bite valve that self-seals after each sip, with a convenient thumb-activated shutoff to avoid leaks. Its flexible, durable design includes a carrying handle for easy filling, while the internal drying tab allows for simple cleaning. Pros: compatible with most backpacks for hassle-free hydration on the go. High-flow bite valve with self-sealing feature to prevent leaks. Fully reversible and dishwasher safe, making cleaning a breeze. Lifetime warranty for peace of mind. Cons: might not fit in smaller or non-standard backpacks. The 3L version can feel bulky for some users during high-impact activities like running. Next, Hike Crew Portable Propane Water Heater and Shower Pump, a game changer for outdoor enthusiasts. This compact 2-in-1 system heats water instantly and provides a comfortable shower experience anywhere you go. With its built-in battery, LCD display, and automatic safety shutoff, it's designed to keep you and your loved ones safe and comfortable, whether you're camping, hiking, fishing, or living off the grid. Pros: it's highly portable with a built-in battery for 50 minutes of continuous use, multiple power adapters for versatility, and an easy-to-control temperature knob. The automatic 142 degrees Fahrenheit safety shutoff ensures no accidental burns, while the adjustable shower head with 3 spray intensities adds a touch of customization. Cons: it doesn't include a propane tank, and its 50-minute battery life might feel limiting for extended trips. Next, Adventure Sika Heavy Duty 24 inches Folding Campfire Grill, the ultimate companion for your outdoor culinary adventures. Imagine sizzling burgers, crispy bacon, or fluffy pancakes over an open flame, all on a grill that's rugged, reliable, and portable. Crafted from high-quality steel with a food-grade coating, this compact grill is built to handle the heat of your most daring adventures. The folding design and included carry bag make it effortless to pack and transport. So whether you're backpacking in the wilderness or setting up at a cozy campsite, this grill has you covered. Pros: its versatile half-griddle, half-grill design lets you cook a variety of dishes simultaneously. The setup is incredibly simple, no tools required. Cons: while the grill is durable and compact, its size might feel limiting if you're cooking for for a large group. That's enough for today. Share your thoughts and comments about this video. Let's meet in these videos. Be happy and stay safe.